rare find. I finally caught it. It's going in the museum.
Stop talking. I'm having an inspirational quote right here. It's going to go on for generations. People are going to make bank off of my quote. Life is like a popcorn. Once it pops, it's sweet and delicious, but you can never go back. Look at this guy.
Now I'm smiling because you guys don't know it yet, but you're in a manclave of mangroves, which is really where mangoes came about. So I'm gonna take you on a little bit of history, a little journey, a little factual festival.
Little festive activities with the historical meaning.
What's this button do? It's a big green button. I've never seen actually a big green button. That's awesome.
You know me. Like, y'all are essentially my money makers. Because y'all are gonna view this in like a few years, and all the money's gonna go to me. And you're gonna think, oh, wow, look at this guy. I used to know him, now he's famous. No, I made all my money, and I'm better than all of you. And I hope you know that. I'm not prideful at all, just to let you know. Going back to my... Hey, Justice. You playing a little song?
Yeah.
It's kind of... Wow.
This is one I wrote when I was a really hard time in my life. Just going through a kind of a berry patch of a struggle in my life. And I just gotten out of the camps.
Guys, look.
Sing a little song, little words, and some flyless birds.
Guys.
Huh?
Do another vlog.
Not that kind of vlog.
Let's go in here. It's too hot out here.
Nope.
What a bunch of losers. Habichuchawa.
Look, rap.
Hey, yo, my name is Luke. I am Duke in this too. Everywhere I go, this jam flow. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Now it's Dalray.
I can't rap.
Oh. Drip. I can't do.
Tell me why. Hey. No, sing. Tell me why.
Ain't nothing but a heartache.
Tell me why.
Ain't nothing but a mistake.
Tell me why.
I never want to hear you say.
I
Want it that way.
Okay, today we'll be discussing.
Do you ever think really hard? Like so hard that you can't think anymore?
Yeah. What's your favorite flavor of jelly bean?
I'm doing that right now. I'm thinking so hard, my
About
brain
what?
is thinking. About thoughts. Baby! Don't you love me, baby?
not really.
You don't know that fried rice, that poutine, that game! Where's Joel?
I had you say Joanne. Jolene.
Joel, what's your mama's name?
Alright, don't So
What?
What's your mom's name?
Mom.
What's your mom's name?
oh, that's kind of cool.
Tell me why.
Tell me why.
Nothing but a mistake.
Tell me why.
I never wanna hear you say.
'Cause I want it that way. Ain't nothing but a heartache.
Tell me why.
Ain't nothing but a mistake.
Tell me why.
I never wanna hear you say
That
I
want
it that way. I want it that way. Oh, I want it that way. Be gone, children! Why are you here at this exact moment? Why are you here right now? Like, why are you here right now? Give a valid explanation.